Very good morning, dear students. I hope you are well at home. So today we start chapter number 11, money. In this chapter we learn adding and subtracting money, multiplying and dividing money, and story sums based on money. So students, you know very well that in today's time money is very important. With money we can buy anything. Okay, so now see, this is a 10 rupee coin. 10 rupee coin. This is a 10 rupee note. Okay, this is a 20 rupees note, and this is a 50 rupee note. This is a 100 rupee note. This is 500 rupees note, and this is 2000 rupees note. Okay, so how many 100 rupees note make rupees 500? Means 100 के कितने नोट्स मिलकर 500 बनाती हैं? सो 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 means 5 times 100. So we also write like this: 5 into rupees 100 equals to rupees 500. Okay, so how many 10 rupees note make rupees 100? 10 into 100. Sorry, 10 into 10 equals to 100 means 10 notes. How many 5 rupee coins make rupees 20? How many 5 rupee coins make rupees 20? 4 coins. 4 coins means 5 into 4 equals to rupees 20. Okay, now add the money. This is a 50 rupee note, 10 rupee note, and 5 rupees note. Now add 50 plus 10 plus 5. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 5, 65. Next, this is a 100 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 10 rupees coin, and 20 rupee note. Now add all these. 100 plus 50, 150, plus 10, 160, plus 20, 180. Okay, next, this is a 50 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin, and this is 2 rupees coin. Now add all these. 50 plus 20, 70. 70 plus 5, 75. 75 plus 10, 85. 85 plus 2, 87. Okay, I hope you got it. So बच्चे next is money conversion. Money conversion means convert rupees to पैसे. Rupees to पैसे. Okay, so बच्चे remember 1 rupees equal to 100 पैसे. 1 rupees equal to 100 पैसे. So if we convert 2 rupees into पैसे, if we convert 2 rupees into पैसे, so multiply 2 with 100 equals to 200 पैसे. Okay, suppose we have to convert rupees 10 into पैसे, so multiply 10 into 100, it's 1000 पैसे. Okay, next is पैसे to rupees. Opposite, we know 100 पैसे equals to 1 rupees. Okay, suppose we have 600 पैसे. 600 पैसे means we have 6 rupees. Okay, for example we have 875 पैसे. 875 पैसे. So we also write 875 like this, 800 paise plus 75 paise. Okay, so we know very well that 800 paise means 8 rupees plus 75 paise. Next is adding and subtracting money. So first question is, Aman went to a supermarket with his father. They bought vegetables for rupees 75.50 paise and fruits for rupees 55. Now how much money did they spend in all? So for the addition, add the rupees and paise separately. Means in this question we add rupees and paise separately. So vegetable and fruits, the rupees and paise. Vegetables for rupees 75 and 50 paise and fruits for rupees 55 and 0 paise. Okay, now add both. 0 plus 0, 0, 5. Next 5 plus 5, 0. 1 as a carry. 7 plus 1 plus 5. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Okay. So they spent rupees 130 and 50 paise in all. They spent rupees 130 and 50 paise in all. Okay, this is a addition. Next is subtraction. So question is, Sagar bought a sandwich for rupees 35 and 50 paise. He gave the shopkeeper rupees 50. How much should the shopkeeper pay him back? Like addition, we will subtract the rupees and paise separately. Okay, so write here rupees and here paise. Money given to the shopkeeper. Money given to the shopkeeper. Okay, it's rupees 50 and 0 paise. Cost of sandwich, is 35 rupees and 50 paise. Now subtract both the terms. For the subtraction, we don't have enough paise for subtraction. Okay, so convert these rupees, this 1 rupee into paise. This is a 50 rupees. So convert these 50 rupees into 49 rupees and 100 paise. 49 rupees and 100 paise. Okay, so cut this. Now subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 5, 5. Now subtract 9 minus 5, 4. And 4 minus 3, 1. It means Sagar should get back rupees 14 and 50 paise. Sagar should get back rupees 14 and 50 paise. Okay. Next is multiplication. Pragya bought 5 packets of board pins costing 7 rupees 50 paise each. 7 rupees 50 paise each. How much money did she spend on them in all? How much money did she spend in all? So cost of each packet. Cost of each packet equals to rupees 750 paise. Okay. Now number of packets bought. Number of packets equals to 5. Number of packets bought equals to 5. Now find the total cost. For the total cost, we have to multiply rupees 750 paise into 5. Okay. So students, just like subtraction and addition, multiplication of rupees and paise separately. Okay. So write here rupees and here paise. 7 and 50. Now multiply with 5. 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 5, 25. And now multiply rupees 7 into 5, 35. Okay. So बच्चे, total cost is 35 rupees 250 paise. But you know very well that 250 paise means 200 paise plus 50 paise. You know very well that 200 paise means 2 rupees plus 50 paise. Okay. So add this 2 rupees with 35 rupees plus 2 rupees equals to rupees 37. Okay. It means Pragya spent rupees 37.50 paise to buy 5 packets of board pins. Okay. So next is division. Question is, Suman bought some crayons for rupees 49. If the cost of one packet is rupees 7, how many packets of crayon did she buy? So total cost spent by Suman. Total cost spent equals to rupees 49. Cost of one packet. Cost of one packet equals to rupees 7. Okay. So now find the number of packets bought. Equals to 49 divided by 7. You know very well that 7 sevens are 49. So it means Suman bought 7 packets of crayons. Suman bought 7 packets of crayons. Okay. So students, I hope you got it very well. Thank you for watching this video.